What's up, fam? Hey, it's Mr. Rosenthal here. Today we're going to talk about our pickup of heart rate monitors, our return of heart rate monitors, and why we wear heart rate monitors here. In quarter two, we're really going to start to dive in and really get these going here for our second, third, and fourth and fifth graders here. So today we are going to talk about this. As you come in the gym here today, you're going to notice that I have everything set up over here. Our heart rate monitors go by your class number. So the first thing that I would do is if I'm coming into the gym, I'm going to find my class number for my heart rate monitor. So for example, we're going to be number 4. We go over here and pick up for number 4. Then we're going to scan our heart rate monitor in. So we can get it personalized to ourselves. So once I scan in, the important part here when I do this is I want to look on the screen to see what the goal is. Okay. So when I scan this in, I'm looking at the screen to see what the goal is. You'll see that it says your heart rate zone goal is 13 minutes. Okay, and our focus is the yellow color. The yellow color is our target heart rate where we want to be when we are in activity. Once the screen goes away, you're going to notice that I have green dots on my heart rate monitor. And that is telling me that it's scanned in, and you'll notice that it's going to light up the color blue at some point, maybe. Well, blue is what we want. Once I have it on and it's lighted up, I'm going to put it on my non-writing hand. And I'm going to slide it on my wrist. And once I get it on my wrist, I want it fit pretty snug. So I want it nice and tight there. I always tell the students I should be able to fit a finger underneath. Once I get it securely on, you'll notice that's lighting up blue. And blue is going to show me that I am in the low heart rate. Okay, so if I'm ever performing the activity and it lights up blue, that tells me, hey, I need to pick it up. If it lights up yellow, that's right where I want to be. And if it goes to red, that means I need to take it down. That's my high. So our goal here would be always to try to be in the yellow heart rate zone. So after I go and do our activity here for the day, I'm monitoring my color, making sure I'm where I need to be. When I'm done for the day, now I want to see how I did. So this is the important part, being able to take what I just did, what I just learned, and to see how well I did. Did I make the goal? Our goal was to be 13 minutes into the yellow zone. So when I come back to the screen, as I come over here, I'm going to take it up and I'm going to scan it back in. And once again, I'm focusing on the screen here because I want to see if I made my goal. And our goal was to be 13 minutes in our target heart rate zone. So I scan it back in, I look on the screen. And you're going to notice that the goal was 13 minutes and actual for me would be 0. Okay, now obviously if we're doing stuff, ours would be a little bit different. And if we look on the graph, this would be the goal of what the lesson was for the day. And over here is exactly how I did. So once again, our focus was that yellow there to be in the yellow red zone for a total of 13 minutes. So after I'm done with that, I take it off, I grab a Clorox wipe, I wipe on the inside, and I put it right back on the charger. Something like that. So hopefully we're getting pretty excited here to use these. It's a great tool to see how I'm doing here in PE class, if I need to get more effort, if I'm right where I need to be, or where I stand. So hopefully you enjoyed that. We're going to get those going here in quarter two.